Najati kami markazul media আপনারা
लेकिन समझ বলছেন মেয়ে ওদের এই করছে
Rest here, it's very simple. এটা অনেক রোগী যারা আসেন এরা সাইড and this is only through your donation that we're able to provide a service such as this. Both these ambulances go out on a daily basis and help injured and people that are unable to get to hospital. So they're able to be given access to hospital. And we're hoping to expand our ambulance services to the different regions.
সমস্যা করলে